What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Saucy coming back at y'all with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get curly hair or make your hair curlier. So yeah, so without further ado, we can get straight into the video. But before we get straight into the video, make sure y'all go add my social media right there. Everything is in the link description. So make sure y'all go add me on Snapchat, add me on Instagram for future videos and everything. I will be posting more now. So yeah, and one of the products we're gonna be using today is Can 2 leave-in conditioner. Now I do think this is better than my other hair product that I've been using. So yeah, so we're gonna get straight into the tutorial, so let's get it. Alright, so when you go in the shower, you're gonna want to turn on your warm water and make sure you have your leave-in conditioner. And what I do recommend as well, I recommend using this shampoo right here. There's coconut oil infused in it. It's really good for your hair. Helps it so it doesn't like dry up and stuff and frizz up. So it's only like $2 for like the little bottle. I got the bigger one because it's better buy. And yeah, so you're gonna want to get that. Alright, so here are the products you're gonna be using before you hop in the shower. And so we got your leave-in conditioner, Can 2. And then this is a shampoo I recommend using. It's coconut oil infused by Suave. I think that's how you say it. And yes, as the shampoo, it's just gonna make your hair a little bit curlier because it has the coconut oil in it. And yeah, it's just gonna look better overall, and it repairs it too, and all that stuff, all that good stuff. So here's my hair before. Hop in the shower, wash my hair out, put the stuff in. And yeah, so it's all messed up right now, and I'm about to make it look dumb crisp, so y'all can see it. Don't even look that curly right now. It doesn't even look curly at all, to be honest with you. And yeah, so you just want to grab your shampoo of your choice. Like I said, I recommend using the coconut oil infused. I think it's like $2 at Walmart or something you could get it for. And yeah, so then you just want to wet your hair, put your desired amount of shampoo on your hand or hair or whatever, and just start rubbing it out throughout your scalp and your roots of your head. And yeah, make sure you get everywhere around, guys, if you're using this type of shampoo, because trust me, it's gonna make it curlier. It really is. And yeah, so just keep rubbing it all throughout your head. And when you get out of the shower, you are not going to dry your head with the towel. You're just gonna like shake it out, so it's probably gonna look something like that. And so then you're gonna grab your Can 2 argan oil leave-in conditioner. It doesn't really matter what oil it is, it just has to be leave-in conditioner from Can 2, or maybe some other leave-in conditioners work. And then you just want to get a cool 2-finger scoop, like that much, about that much. If you have like my amount of hair, just grab like that much or something close to that. Then you're just gonna want to mix it in through your hands, and then just rub it throughout your scalp and the roots of your hair. Yeah, just make sure you get it everywhere. Make sure you get it everywhere. Just keep rubbing it in for like maybe 15-20 seconds, just until it's like all off your hands, or pretty much most of it. And yeah, so just like play with your hair and stuff. And yeah, so it's probably gonna look something like that. And if some of the like ends of your hair are like wavy or some part, just do like a little twist like that, and it's just gonna make it curly again. So then after that, you just don't want to touch your hair at all after you hop out the shower. Just do not touch it, or it's probably gonna mess it up, because it's kind of like I don't know, it's like a product kind of. And yeah, so you're just gonna want to do that to your hair, and I'll be right back with y'all after it dries. Alright, so once your hair has dried up just like this, I mean, you could play with it, just like move it around, maybe just like pull up the sides so like it hangs out more if you want to, if you like it like that. Or you just shake a little bit. Yeah, so here's the outcome of your hair. I mean, I think the curls are definitely way more defined. Let me get some light in here real quick. There's definitely more curls than before. How compared to my hair before I put the product in and stuff. Alright, so yeah, man, here is my hair. Final review. I mean, yeah, it'll probably dry over a little more for y'all. It just depends what hair type you got. And yeah, so this will be the end of the video. I'm sorry that the video is a little short. If you do have any video suggestions, just comment them down below. And yeah, so make sure you add my Snapchat, my Instagram. Make sure you do that so you can stay up with future videos. And yeah, so here's my hair one last time. And yeah, so it's been your boy Saucy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and turn on post notifications so you get further videos, notifications. And yeah, man, so it's your boy Saucy. I'm out.